At the Princes Highway East Duplication project, 200 kilometres from Melbourne, we faced a challenge. Remote sites like this have always meant one thing: diesel generators running around the clock. We had a different idea: 54 kilowatts of rooftop solar, a 34 kilowatt solar pergola, 216 kilowatt hours of battery storage, powering everything, completely off-grid. Over 715 days of operations, 135,000 kilowatt hours of solar energy, 93% reduction in fuel use, 273 tonnes of carbon emissions avoided, over $400,000 in fuel saved. This isn't tomorrow's technology. This is today's solution. We proved that the impossible is just unopened potential. Ready to power your next project sustainably? Contact Select Plant Australia.